Hey guys, welcome to YouTube channel and Amazon page. This printer is HP Deskjet 2710 or 2700 series, and this laptop is Acer Aspire 5. What I want to do is to show you how to scan documents from this printer to the computer. To scan your document, you need to make sure the printer and the computer are connected to the same network via Wi-Fi network, Wi-Fi direct or USB cable connection. In this case, we connected this printer and laptop via Wi-Fi network, and also we downloaded the HP Smart app. So this is HP Smart app, and this printer is ready, showing us ready and also showing us the ink level. To scan your document, open up the glass scanner, put the document you want to scan face down, start from the right side. In this printer, it's showing us A4, so this document is A4 paper. You close the scanner, go to your laptop. This is HP Smart app and the printer is ready, so select scan. From the preset, you look on your right side, you select glass, you see glass scanner, and preset, we want to scan this as PDF document. If you want to scan photo, then you select photo. So you scroll down and select document and scan entire area. You can scan entire area or select A4, but you want to scan entire area. The output, we want to scan this color. If you want to scan it black and white, then you select grayscale. Resolution is currently 300 dpi. The maximum is 1200 dpi. So you scroll down and select particular one you want. We want to scan it using 300 dpi. You can select preview. If you select preview, it will fetch the document for you to see it. If you are happy with it, then you select scan. So if you select preview, now this document is fetching the preview. This is the document we fetched preview. The next thing to do is, once you are happy with it, then you select scan. This is the document we scanned. If you are not happy with it, you select the three dots for you to delete it or rotate it or edit. But I'm happy with it and I want to scan another page. So open up the glass scanner and stick the second document you want to scan face down. Then close the glass. Then select add. Go on top and select add. The same features, we selected area, scan entire area, document, then you select scan. These are the document we scan. This is the second page. This is the first one. If you want to save this document, you select save. If you want to share this document, you select share. What I want to do is to show you how to save the document and also print it out. So we select save, basic PDF. You can give the document name, usually show you the date the document is scanned, but you can put your name on it for you to remember it. Then you select save. Then it give you option for you to select where you want to save this document. I want to save this document in the download. You can save it in the document or download or save it in the computer. So I want to save it in documents. Then select save. Your file has been saved. So this document now is saved in the download. Now if you want to print it out, select print. You wait for the printer to be ready. Then you go on top and select HP Deskjet 2700 series. Orientation is portrait. Paper size is A4, photo size full page, layout 1 photo per page. Scroll down, paper type is plain paper, output is normal. You can scroll down and change it to high quality or draft. It's currently in normal, and copies 1 page. You scroll up and down to increase the number. If you select more option, they give you option for you to select print on both sides. Select print on both sides, long edge and color. We want to print this in color. Then select OK. Then select print. Now what you need to do is you need to take this document, print it out, take it and put it to the other document, turn it upside down, then go in, then select continue. Here we go. This is the document we scanned, printed it out, double-sided, colored. Thank you very much indeed, and stay blessed. Thank you.